everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. It is currently Christmas morning and we just celebrated and opened presents. If you have missed any of my past what I got for Christmas videos, I will have them linked down below for you guys. I think I have 3, 4, maybe even 5 of them. And as always, I am not trying to brag or boast in any way, shape, or form, but something you guys should know is that this is a combined haul for my birthday and Christmas because my birthday was on December 20th and I turned 24. So if it does seem like I got more than the average person does get for Christmas, it is because it is also my birthday gifts too. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm gonna start off with the gifts that I got from my parents and my siblings. So this is what I got from my parents for both my birthday and Christmas. So first off, I got a 1-year membership for the American Association of Medical Assistants, also known as the AAMA, and this makes it so that my board exam that I will be taking next fall will be over $100 cheaper. And it's always good to be a member of some sort of association in the medical field because you are able to put it on your resume. And then what's Christmas without getting stuff from Bath & Body Works? In total, I got 9 wallflower bulbs, I got a hand sanitizer and holder, and I got one of their mini hand creams. The hand sanitizer I got is just in fresh sparkling snow, and along with it I just got one of the pocket back holders, and this one is just red and glittery. And I just got one of their shea butter hand creams. I absolutely love these. I like keeping them in my bag and in my purse and by my bed. And this one is in snowy morning. And then, like I said, I did get 9 of the wallflower refill bulbs, and I figured I would go through them all. I got Merry Mimosa, Autumn Woods, Pumpkin Donut Shop, Marshmallow Fireside, Eucalyptus and Spearmint Fresh Balsam, which as we all know, this is my absolute favorite scent, Winter, Cinnamon Caramel Swirl, and lastly, Frosted Cranberry. These two were both on the Christmas tree for me, and they are just bath salts. This one is in Peppermint Swirl, and this one is in Vanilla Frost. I got this cute little bird. This is one of the Featherly Friends from Target. I actually collect these for all the holidays. This one is Shotzi, and he is just a cute little bird dressed up for winter, and the cutest part is that he has a Christmas tree on his back. If you guys would like to see an entire collection of all the ones I have, then be sure to let me know in the comments. I got 3 items of makeup. I got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and mine is in the color Shell Ivory. I got the Candy Cane Chapstick, and I also got a new mascara. This is the Full Lash Bloom Waterproof Mascara from CoverGirl. I got 7 different types of masks. I got an entire box of the Biore Self-Heating 1-Minute Face Masks, but I decided to just go ahead and show you one of them. And then I got a bunch of single masks by the Yes To brand. They are all different, even though some of them look the same. The first one is the Yes To Tomatoes Clear Skin Detoxifying Charcoal Mud Mask. The Yes To Cotton protects and minimizes irritation, comforting mud mask. The Yes To Tomatoes Clear Skin Detoxifying Charcoal Paper Mask. The Yes To Tomatoes Clear Skin Detoxifying Charcoal DIY Powder to Clay Mask. The Yes To Cucumbers Soothing Calming DIY Powder to Clay Mask. And lastly, the Yes To Grapefruit Brightening Vitamin C Boosting Sleeping Mask. I got 12 pairs of socks in total. They are all from Steve Madden, and they are the low cuts ones. These are more of a sporty type that are breathable, and there are 6 pairs, and these are all the colors. And then these ones are the super soft ones, and let me tell you, they are in fact super soft, and these are just the colors for these ones. I got a suture kit so I can start practicing how to do sutures and take them out, and it actually is 2 different parts. The first part right here is from Your Design Medical, and it is this simulation skin to do sutures on. They have a straight wound as well as a curved wound, which is nice, and I actually got this container separately and put it in it so that nothing happens to it. And it does come with a little card on how to do sutures, which is nice. And it actually did not come with sutures, so you do have to order them separately. And I just got this kit off Amazon, and this came with both 3/0 and 4/0 sutures. These are all the tools that you get. You also get sterile disposable scalpels, and there are 4 of them. And then in here are the suture sutures. Like I said, there are both 4-0 and 3-0 sutures. If you guys would like to see an entire video on how to do sutures using these products, be sure to let me know in the comments down below because I can definitely do that. I think it would be a lot of fun to do anyways. I got a new set of flannel sheets. I haven't gotten flannel sheets probably since I was little, and so my parents decided to get me a pair, and they are from Target, and they are just the Threshold flannel sheets, and they are in the purple color, and they are from the fall collection. And then one of my big presents this year was actually a printer, and this is the HP OfficeJet 5258, and I have been needing a printer for the longest time, but I specifically wanted one that can do double-sided to save on paper and space in my binders, and my mom was kind enough to get this for me. Not only does it print double-sided, but it can also copy, and you can also feed the paper in through here and it'll copy it. You can also print it directly from your phone and wirelessly, which makes it even more convenient. Moving on to my grandparents. On my list of things for them, I put all school things, and this is what I ended up getting. The first thing I got was a new watch. This is just one of the ice watches, and it is part of the Glam Pastel line, and it is in the color Lotus, and this is just a silicone watch, and I absolutely love it. I've been looking at ice watches for over a year now. I also got a gift card to a store called Super Shoes. I'm going to be using it to buy scrubs, and if you guys would like me to do a haul on these scrubs that I end up getting, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Something else that I got is a review book to study with for my board exam, and the book I got in particular is the Elsevier's Medical Assisting Exam Review 5th edition, and this is just what it looks like. It has a ton of different practice tests on the inside of it, and it does prep you for all 6 of the certification exams for being a medical assistant. From my aunt and my cousin, I got these adorable green Christmas socks that have snowflakes, reindeer, and Santa on them, and they are the crew socks, so they go up a little higher. From them, I also got a new pair of Toms, and this is just what they look like. They are the golden woven ones, and they are fluffy on the inside, which is nice, so they keep your feet warm throughout the winter and spring and fall when it's cold. And I haven't gotten a new pair of Toms in quite some time, so I'm super happy that I got these because I did actually have a pair of Toms on my list. And I love that they are gold because I can wear them with pretty much everything because they are a neutral color. And this is just what the backs look like. And then for my step-grandfather, everyone always gets a $20 bill from him, and it is a yearly tradition. So that is what I got from him. And then moving on to friends, I did do a few gift swaps with some of my friends. From one of my best friends, Demi, which if you guys haven't seen, I surprised her with a sunflower printed engraved stethoscope from MDF. And I'll have that video linked down below for you guys. Be sure to go check it out. But from her, this is what I got. She got me one of the Featherly Friend birds from Target. I collect these, and this one is Alder. She got me a body spray from Victoria's Secret, and this one is the Pure Seduction Midnight one, and it smells so good. And the description for this one is tempting berry and sultry woods, and I love the way that it smells. She got me a pair of the Soft Sole Fireside Indoor Lodge socks, and these ones are infused with aloe, and the ones I got are just purple and white, and they have a moose and some Christmas trees on them, and you can never go wrong with socks. And I actually don't have any socks like these, so I'm super excited, and they are super soft, and I can't wait to wear them. She got me a water bottle. On the top it is clear, and then it is a gradient blue towards the bottom, and it has a ton of gold glitter on the inside. It is one of the double-walled ones, and I absolutely love it. And she knows that I have a ton of water bottles and decided to give me another one because when she saw it, it instantly reminded her of me. She got me one of the travel size body lotions from Bath & Body Works, and this is in the scent Twilight Woods. It is one of my all-time favorite scents and has been for a long time now. She got me a pack of the all pink limited edition Starbursts, and as you guys can see, I've already eaten half of them. They are so good. The pink ones and the red ones are my all-time favorite. She got me a breast cancer ribbon bath bomb. It is the Treat Me Bath Burst. She got me an adorable snowman ornament, which I will be going and hanging on the Christmas tree. And lastly, she got me this adorable holiday mug with a bunch of penguins on it, and you can never go wrong with with getting someone a coffee mug, and I actually don't have any coffee mugs of my own, so I was really excited to get this. Moving on, another one of my best friends, Alyssa, got me this Yes to Grapefruit Brightening Vitamin C Glow Boosting Mud Mask. Pretty sure it's a well-known fact that I love the Yes to brand and I love their masks, and I can't wait to try this one along with all the other ones I got this year. She also got me one of the Gift Yourself kits from Victoria's Secret Pink, and this one is in Fresh and Clean, and it comes with the body spray as well as the matching lotion, and I can't wait to use these. I'm definitely going to keep the lotion in my purse, and this is probably going to become one of my new favorite scents. And then lastly, from Ulta, she got me one of the Ulta makeup boxes, and it has 3 different sections. This first section right over here has some brushes, a brow tint, brow powders, as well as some glitters that you can use as eyeshadows or bronzers or pretty much anything you want to. On this side, it has a bunch of different lip products and eyeliners. So right here, there are 3 eyeliners, there are 2 lip liners, 2 of the matte liquid lipsticks, and then 2 of the creamy lip glosses. And then you can open up the top here, and the top portion has a mirror. And then I'm not sure how well you guys can see because of the reflection, but there is a tinted eye primer, 2 bronzers up here at the top, a banana setting powder, 6 blushes, and then 3 highlighters. And then over on this side, there are a bunch of different eyeshadows. There are matte ones, and there are shimmery ones. And I absolutely love this. I love using makeup, and that's something that she knows that I love. And I'm really excited to use this. If you guys would like to see an entire tutorial featuring this box, let me know in the comments down below. So that is just my birthday and Christmas haul for 2018. I had an amazing birthday and an amazing Christmas celebrating with my family. So while everyone is getting ready for breakfast and taking naps and playing with their new gifts, I decided I would sit down and film what I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Pack Squad. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!